Ever wonder how AI, like ChatGPT, actually works behind the scene? Today I am breaking down a simple yet powerful framework used to explain how AI like ChatGPT LLM actually works. So hi everyone, it's me Radha and today I am back with another knowledgeable video. Also let me remind you, we were on a mission to 500 subscribers this month. So let's get into the video. Powerful AI system that works behind the scene of LLM of powerful tools. It's called MCP model. MCP model, which is model, context and protocol. Let me simplify it to you. And trust me, once you get it, the ChatGPT, the LLM, and the feature of AI will completely make a lot of more sense than you used to earlier. The MCP tool is like a ABC of how modern AI tool actually function. But first, let's talk about what is MCP. The MCP model is a conceptual framework that explains how AI system interact with users. It defined how a train AI model processes input based on current context and communication through a specific protocol. It helps us to understand the role of AI engine, which is our model, and the information and the method of interaction is called protocol. In any AI powered application, it breaks everything into three simple parts. Model, it is like a brain of MCP of LLM, and then we have context, which is the memory or the background of LLM or MCP. And then third we have protocol, the communication rule book. Let's explore this one by one. First thing first, model. This is core AI system like GPT-4 trained on massive amount of data. It is like a brain which has already access, which already know how to operate, how to generate languages, code, simple language and even images. For example, when you ask a question, the model uses pattern from its training data to respond, because being a machine, he has data, he has from maybe from web pages or somehow maybe your earlier data, your past experience with any kind of LLM or any AI software, and from its training data it respond, but it does not remind you all the time unless you give him past context, like we have talked this about earlier. And then we have second, context. It is like the memory. Think of this like a short-term memory. It include the prompt you give, your construction, ongoing structure. Even without context, the smartest model would pretty hell. Clueless. For example, if you say continue my story, the AI will be like, what continue? Which story? Unless or until any kind of context is given. Otherwise he will answer what story, which character, what are you talking about, I don't have previous data. And then we have protocol. It's like the background rule book, the communication layer. This is the system where it actually connect user and the system, user and the model to interact powerfully. It could be any chat app, it could be any GPT, it could be any kind of AI chat booth like your personal voice assistant, your AI generated apps. Protocol defined how your prompt respond, how it is sent, and how the hell the model responds. This is what protocol actually does. For example, let's assume apps like ChatGPT or Claude have a defined protocol to handle things like formatting, streaming, replies, voice inputs. Let me explain you with a simple analogy. Let's assume the model is like a chef. Are you getting my point? The model is like a chef. The context is a recipe, is an ingredient. And then the protocol is your phone call receiving the order. And the protocol is your phone receiving or placing the order. No matter how good the chef is, if we don't give him the right recipe, the right instruction, the right ingredient, or place the order properly, the dish will not come out right. I hope you guys are getting my point. So now you know the MCP, model, context and protocol. This is how any other LLM, your favorite ChatGPT, works behind the scene. These are the three important pillars of any AI interaction with user. If this helped you simplified AI, then please hit the like, share and subscribe. Also tell me in the comment section which part confused you, because I see a lot of tech videos and they are too much techy. We will cover MCP server in any other video, but let me know, did you guys like the topic or not, or should I create something else? Do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much everyone. That's it for this video. I will see you guys in the next video.